Hey there, today we're going to look at how to make a Google Forms survey. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Over here. Log in with your Google account. After that, click the new button at the top left corner. Then hover over More and select Google Forms. Over here, click on Blank Form to start with a fresh survey. After that, click on Untitled Form and rename it as you like. Then click the plus icon to add questions. Over here, you can choose the type of question like multiple choice, drop down, or short answer. After that, if you want to organize your form, click Add section. Then click on the Responses tab to manage and view responses. Over here, you can decide how to collect them either through email or directly in Google Forms. After that, click the Send button at the top right. Over here, you can share the form via link, email, or embed it on a website. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.